Hey there, and welcome to our channel. If you're new here, we're happy to have you. Mr. Lister is here to help you buy or sell your home affordably without a traditional agent. To learn more, subscribe and check out our website. We are also on TikTok and Instagram at Mr. Lister Realty. Your listing is active and hopefully getting lots of attention. In this video, we are going to walk you through how to make changes to your listing through your account. To get started, you need to go to our website, Mr.ListerRealty.com, and then log in using the button on the top right corner. Today, we will be making use of the Manage button next to your listing. When you first listed, you were sent an email with all your disclosures and documents you filled out and signed. While we are right here, let us point out where you will find them in your account. Your first option on the drop-down menu is Document Library. Take a minute now to click the Download All Documents so you have a copy for your records. Got them? Good. Now let's discuss how to make changes to your listing and how to schedule an open house. Now let's say you want to make a change to your listing. Maybe you realized you overpriced it or want to update your remarks. No problem. In that same drop-down menu we're in, click the Make Listing Changes option. All you need to do is type what you want to change in the text box, i.e. lower my price to $350,000, and again, hit Submit for seller's choice and full service, or enter your payment info for Quick List. What happens if you don't have all your photos ready when you list, then want to add more at a later time? You can do this one of two ways. First, back on the main screen next to your listing, you can click the Photo button instead of the Manage button, and it will take you to the screen to upload your photos. Alternatively, you can use the Manage Photos option in the drop-down menu and the Manage section as well. Now, if you've maxed out your allotted number of photos, we are going to use that same drop-down menu, but this time, we are going to go to Purchase Services and click the option to add Replace Photos. If you are simply adding more, just email them to us at info@Mr.ListerRealty.com and we will add them to your listing. If they are to be used in place of others, please email us with exactly which ones are to be removed. While we are here, let us just point out that we are back to the options you looked over and contemplated when you first started your listing. Now that you are up and running, maybe you feel like you could use one or more. For instance, maybe you thought you could handle the calls and scheduling the showing appointments, but now you're feeling overwhelmed. Or maybe you have an offer you want to discuss to make sure it's as good as it seems. This is where you will go to purchase any services to help make the process easier for you. The day has arrived where you have gotten an offer you couldn't resist and signed all the documents. The next step is to send us the contract so we can update the MLS. Reminder that this needs to be done within 24 hours of signing. In that same drop-down menu, comes in handy, doesn't it? You're going to click the Under Contract button. Then just upload a PDF of the entire contract, addenda and all, and fill in the quick contract summary details. We will update the MLS and send you an email with your next steps. Now sadly, every once in a while we do have someone come to us and tell us they need to withdraw their listing. Maybe their circumstances changed and it is no longer a good time for them to sell. Whatever the reason, just give us a call and we can review your situation with you. If there is something we can do to help, we will be more than happy to let you know. If it's just not in the cards right now, we will direct you back here to click the Withdraw button. We will always be here when the time comes for you to try again. Hopefully you have found this video helpful and informative. After all, we are here to make this process as easy for you as possible. By now, you should be comfortable using the website to create and make changes to your listing. Have you noticed that we offer more than just listing services? We'll be back in another video to show you how to harness the information we give you to become real estate savvy. Thanks for watching and learning more about our website. Don't forget to subscribe and check it out in the description. You can also find us on TikTok and Instagram at Mr. Lister Realty. See you next time.